In this video, I will talk about charging and billing for a roaming customer. Before that, let me talk about different types of roamers. A roamer is called by different names by the home and the visited network. Home network calls their customer, whoever is in roaming, as out roamer, since they left their network and roaming outside of their network. Visited network calls the customers of other network roaming into their network as in roamer. This customer belongs to CSP X and is roaming in CSP Y network. CSP X calls this customer as out roamer and CSP Y calls this customer as in roamer. Let's talk about billing and settlement part. The visited network takes the CDRs belonging to all the in roamers, sends these CDRs to the roaming settlement system, which is a system used for calculating the roaming charges. Roaming settlement system identifies the owner of the CSP to whom the in-roamer belongs to with the help of IMG recorded in the CDR, and then rates the CDR as per the tariff agreed between the roaming partners, and rates the CDR as per the tariff agreed between them. Then roaming settlement system includes all the CDRs belonging to a CSP in a file. This file is called as TAP file or transfer account procedure file, which is in ASN format, and the latest version of TAP file is 3.12. Then the visited network sends these TAP files to the home network. These files are referred to by the visited network as TAP out file. The TAP files are created and exchanged periodically, maybe weekly or fortnightly. The home location receives these TAP files via FTP or SFTP or by some other means. These files are referred to as TAP in files by home network. Please observe the same file is being referred to as TAP in and TAP out, but by different entities. Home location sends these TAP in files to the roaming settlement system of their own. The roaming settlement system at the home location decodes the TAP file. Then prepaid CDRs are ignored as they are already charged by the home network. Postpaid CDRs are re-rated as per the tariff agreed between home network and customers. These re-rated CDRs are sent to billing system to apply the roaming charges in the bill. While decoding the TAP files, if there are any errors or if few CDRs are not decoded, then a file called wrap file is created and sent to visited network asking for those CDRs again.